Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing this blonde wig. It is so pretty. Look at it. Just like look at the texture of it, y'all. Like what? So thank you to Yolissa Hair for sponsoring today's video. So guys, this is a 24-inch 13x4 frontal wig with blonde highlights. The hair came like this. I didn't do anything to it. I didn't have to tone it or nothing. They already basically toned it and colored it and all that together, because this is not just regular bleach. This is really pretty actually. And then the hair is just extremely soft, barely shed anything, and it really holds a curl. As you guys can see, I only curled the bottom, but look at how pretty this is. And the only product I have on this wig is this, my Fruity serum, but it's only a little bit. You can use any serum that you would like, but I did bleach the knots. I did not pluck the frontal at all. And y'all, I'm just so blown away by this hair. And for it to be a 24-inch, this is really long. This is really long. Like, let's put it to the back. Can y'all see? It's really long. But okay guys, click the links down below to check out this wig. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel, and yeah, let's get the video started. Okay you guys, this is the wig. I washed it and I let it air dry. I also did bleach the knots. As you guys can see, the frontal goes all the way across the front, which is what we like, so you can do your part anywhere. So I did bleach the knots. I may have over bleached them. They bleach so good because it's brown hair. But look at this texture, so full, y'all. Yeah, this is body wave hair, but the way I like to dry my hair is I dry it straight so I can add my own curl to it. It's really full. So we're just gonna be doing a quick little middle part situation. And first things first, we are going to hot comb the frontal. So I'm just gonna pin her down to my mannequin head. Hold on, let me make sure she's on there right. Okay, I'm gonna give her a part down the middle. Some people like to do this on their, literally on their head, but I like to get my hair extremely flat. And I feel like when you do it on the head, you're gonna burn yourself. So if you can do it on the mannequin, just do it. But okay guys, I'm just about to hot comb my frontal to get it really flat, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, she's nice and flat, as you guys can see. So now I'm going to be taking this curling iron. I think it's like 1 inch, and we're just going to put some loose curls in it, and yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, my hair is curled. I decided to pin curl the front. This is how it is. It's only curled across the bottom. Okay, I'm just about to be using my Got to Be Glue hairspray, and we're just gonna put this wig on. Okay guys, the wig is on. It looks so good right here, but y'all see my real hair is out right here, so I'm definitely going to have to add baby hairs. Okay, so okay guys, so I'm about to add some baby hairs to cover this. It's not really gonna cover it, but it'll just add more color. I'm just gonna be using some Eco Style gel. I really don't recommend this because unless you have a blow dryer, this Eco gel doesn't really get hard. But just don't put it on your lace. It's really good for molding your baby hairs though. Just do not get it on the lace. Okay, now I'm just gonna touch up my lace with some hairspray and a clamp because it looks like it's a little bit up. Okay guys, I'm just gonna take some fruit tea serum and we're gonna rub this on our hands and rub it through the hair. Let me take my waist trimmer. Look at this hair. Okay guys, so this is the final product. This wig is gorgeous. The hair, just the highlights and how bright they are, so very beautiful. Look at it, look at it. But okay guys, this is the final product. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys click the links down below and I'm gonna see you guys next time.